If you're someone who regularly works with research papers, whether you're a student, researcher, or academic writer, there's an AI tool that can make your work significantly easier. From summarizing papers to organizing references and even helping you write, this tool can save you time and energy across your entire workflow. Today's video is all about exploring this powerful academic assistant and how it can help streamline tasks like literature reviews, citation management, and academic writing. Let's break down its features step by step. Point 1. Interact with PDFs easily. Going through lengthy research papers can be exhausting. This tool allows you to upload any research paper in PDF format or simply paste the URL. Once uploaded, you can ask specific questions about the document. Want a quick summary? It will give you one. Curious about a particular section like methodology or results? Just ask, and it provides accurate, clear, and concise answers. This is especially useful when dealing with complex topics where manually extracting key points can be time-consuming. Point 2. Smart literature review. One of the most time-consuming tasks in academic work is conducting a thorough literature review. This tool helps by scanning across a wide range of research papers to generate insightful summaries. Let's say you're researching something like the effects of mindfulness on chronic pain. The tool will search through thousands of articles and generate a structured summary backed by scientific references. Even better, it provides a tabular view of each paper, showing sections like research question, methodology, outcomes, and conclusions. You can also add or remove columns based on your preference. For example, if you want to include the abstract or list the limitations of each study. This organized format saves hours you'd otherwise spend jumping between tabs and reading multiple full-text articles. Point 3. Reference and document management. Managing references manually can be overwhelming. With this tool, you can upload PDFs, add URLs, or import reference files to keep everything in one place. You can also create folders for different projects to keep your work structured and organized. Each document has an options panel where you can view a summary, take notes, check the bibliography, or extract specific insights. This means you don't just store your references, you interact with them actively during the research process. Point 4. Extract data from multiple papers at once. Another standout feature is the ability to extract insights from multiple papers simultaneously. Once your references are added, you can select the ones you want to analyze, and the tool will create a comparative table. This lets you review and compare methodologies, findings, or any custom fields you add without opening each paper one by one. You can also export this table into various formats, such as Excel, making it easier to include in your reports or documentation. AI can assist, but it shouldn't replace human critical thinking or originality. Final thoughts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced academic, this AI tool has something valuable to offer. From helping you understand complex articles to managing your research projects and assisting in writing, it's a complete academic companion. Some features may be available for free, while others might require an upgrade to access the full functionality. Either way, it's definitely worth exploring if you're looking to make your academic process smoother, faster, and more organized. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful content on tools that can make your work smarter.